Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. 2025 is in the past and we are now moving into 2026, which I am very excited for, and I cannot wait to share with you guys the things we have planned for you guys. I just wanted to start out with saying thank you for all the years that you guys have been with me, whether you've taken a break from me because I didn't show up as well as I wanted to, or you've been there the whole time. Genuinely, life has just been really good, and it has been a long time for me to be able to say that. And that's not to say that 2026 might have some more loss, might have some more hard things in it, but I'm walking into it very refreshed, and you guys are a huge part of that. I'm super grateful that God had called me into this when my kids were little, and now is leading me into a season now that my kids are old ladies and self-sufficient teenagers that drive themselves everywhere. What is the next chapter? What does that look like? You guys have been with me for so long, whether you are just joining me or you've been with me since I started randomly on YouTube creating crafts. I just wanted to say thank you. I needed a goal and I needed an aspiration to push forward through some really hard times. Knowing that I have people on the other end saying, but wait, we want this from you, we want that. It's really helped me. I look at the seasons of my life. One constant I've had is my YouTube channel. And oh my gosh, it hits hard because you guys genuinely have been a huge part of my life. I'm going on a vacation and I'm so excited to get back home to start working on a new space. I just thought this morning how blessed to be able to have a career that you wake up excited to come back from your vacation for. Could not do that without you guys being the drivers for what I want to create and put out, which is exciting because I'm going to share with you guys some new fun things. The vibe for 2026 is relaxing therapeutic crafting. You guys know that I've been leaning into this, but do dust off your Cricuts, dust off your lasers, dust off your heat presses, dust off the sewing machines. But I know that a lot of you guys already have these. Well, it really is cheaper than therapy. No, it's not. Crafting can be very expensive. Let me just put that out there. So highly suggest therapy, but I also highly suggest crafting. And if you could put those two things together, 2026 is looking bright for you, my friend. What are we crafting on YouTube this year, you guys? Embroidery is going to be huge. I have Cricut, we're going to have laser, we're going to have sublimation, we're going to have UV-DTF, we're going to have DTF, we're going to have all the elements because my studio is back at home and I can literally craft all day long with you guys if I need to. I have new channels and I have a lot of them. So if you're like, you are so chaotic, I feel you. So I've turned every space that I'm going to be designing for, creating for, ideating for, inspiring, educating on into a YouTube channel. We have Sublimation 101, we have HTV 101, Design University, the Paper Crafting 101 channel, Embroidery 101 channel. There's a lot. I listed them all on the top of my channel if you'd like to subscribe to all of those or just the ones that you want, because I talk a lot. I have ADHD and I craft a lot, and I may just randomly pop up with a new random theme. Let's talk about ebooks and courses because these are going to be huge. You're going to see me talking about an ebook and course a lot. The ebooks are now how I am going to be releasing files. They are going to be buckled up into an ebook, and those ebooks are also purchasable outside of the membership. So if you're a member right now or in the future, you will get access to all past ebooks, updated ebooks, new files that are in those ebooks. Courses are also purchasable individually. If you don't want to be a member, you can just purchase one course. If a course comes out, you have access for a lifetime. And if I add things to that course, you get unlimited access for the rest of its time as it grows. Courses include videos, links to really amazing resources, and printables. The course has it all in there. So you can watch those YouTube videos right in the course. You don't have to leave the website. You don't have to leave the course. You can track which steps you've already done. You can go back. Those will also include the downloadable files right in the course as well. So a good example is the crochet course. We have a crochet course out right now, which has about 10 files in it, but it also has like really helpful instructional resources for you. We are expanding those though. We are adding all the fun things. Not only are you being educated in those courses, in those ebooks, but you're also getting the resources you need to get started and to maximize your creativity and go above and beyond. Courses and ebooks, they will mostly be taught by me, but I have little elves. I don't want to call them elves. It's Christmas time, so they're not elves. They are human beings. Okay. I have master crafters lined up that are going to be helping me with the courses and the ebooks. And this is an amazing way for me to support master crafters in this space. They will get to sell their courses and ebooks on my website, and they get to build them as big or as little as they want. Those prices will go up the larger they make their courses though. So I will just say getting in on the ground floor of a course or an ebook is the best way to stay involved in the craft that you want to be in. New membership prices, you guys. I've never raised my prices, but I've also lowered my prices. So if you're a member, your price is always going to stay the same. Whatever you get in with, it's never going up. One is for everyone. Whether you're like, I just have a Cricut and I barely ever use it. We have a $3 membership now, and that is just for all the files. You will not get design elements, and you will not get any courses, and you will not get discounts to our partners, but you'll get all of our files. Our Craft Day Creators membership just went up to $12 a month, but that is because one purchase from one partner a month will literally pay that. So you will get all the files, but you also get all the courses and then all the discounts that the partners I'm about to announce, plus any partners that we're scouting for the rest of 2026. Then my business membership is gone-ish. It is now design and business membership. Do not join it unless you can join one of our Zoom times. We've got new memberships, we've got new membership perks, we have more fun things. Who are our partners? Let's talk about it, shall we? Marvy pens, we love Marvy pens. They literally have chalk pens, paint pens, planner pens, brush pens. I'm going to be using our paint pens on our wood projects. We're going to be using our planner pens in our planners. We're going to be using our brush pens in so many fun ways. We're going to be using our chalk pens to manage our families and our lives. Cardstock Warehouse, old but faithful, 20% off cardstock, multi-packs, and envelopes. You guys have already seen us use them twice this holiday season. I cannot wait to use more cardstock and bring in more cardstock masters so you guys can know how to use that cardstock to the best of your ability. IPP produces all of my glitter. All my glitter. Favorite thing about It's Pretty Personal is it's pretty personal. It is all personalized stuff. So you can upload your own vinyl, upload your own UV DTF, upload your own DTF, and then shop them, learn them. They have banners. They have so many amazing things on that website. Okay, are we ready for our newbies? We've got Vinyl and Tool Supply. You guys have already seen me use a lot of their stuff, but they are a authorized Caesar distributor, which was one thing I wanted. I was like, I want you guys to be able to get Caesar vinyl at a discount. My favorite heat transfer vinyl. We have Heat Transfer Vinyl 101. You guys know I love heat transfer vinyl, but they also have a ton of other really fun craft supplies. Hold on, my grand cat is crying. This is Ozzy. He's my grand cat. I have now 2 grand cats, but both my kids have a cat. One of the things I'm super excited for is to start small business partnerships and support growing creators like you guys. 2 growing creators that I have found along the way have very successful businesses, and I'm so excited that they get to be partners. Just from 99 Art Designs, you see brands, businesses, and it's basically a full branding package that includes website building and all the things. And then we have Ashley from Chip Builds, who does AI extensions for your crafting to make designing even faster. AI tools, we're gonna teach you how to use them in ways that create your designs to be unique and not so AI. My last new partner, which I am so excited for, is Craft Acrylic, and all the acrylics you need for laser cutting, but it's also like the best deal already, and then you're getting 15% off. ShopAuntieTay.com. If you guys go there right now, it takes you to our district site, which is so fun. It's a community where you can sell your crafts. If you're a business member, you do get a free premium diamond membership, no listing fees. So you can literally list everything. But what are we doing with District this spring? Not only can you sell your finished crafts, but we're gonna turn it into a thrifted craft store with your craft supplies. So y'all know you have craft supplies just lying around, right? We're gonna sell those. One of my goals this year is to get y'all to start shopping over there, not just selling over there. It is free to shop over there. No listing fees. Go list every color of paint that you have that you want to get rid of. Go list every set of brushes that you bought and never opened. Go list all the craft supplies. We have craft supply categories that you can list all of your products in, and you can sell your products. A little behind the scenes, I am moving out of my studio. This is a studio in my home on my property. I love this space so much, so much. I have been working on creating this space to be functional for me, to go live, to film videos, to craft all the things. But one thing that you guys have very much missed is my products. And I have set out to make sure that I have a space to do products in the future. This is something I'm still in the works of what this will look like, but again, this is a little behind the scenes update. So right now I am sketching out how that space is going to look. It's going to be much smaller than the studio space. My whole studio is now home, but not in my home, something I've dreamed of for years. I couldn't be more grateful for the space I'm in. I have been vlogging the whole process of what I'm looking for and why I'm looking for and how I'm going to be moving all the stuff I have at the studio and what I'm keeping and all the things. Let's make 2026 the most craftiest, therapeutic, most machine used, most loved, most business growing, most member fun, most inspiring year yet. So tag me in any projects you make with our membership, or if you've bought our courses and you make projects from them, always tag us. We love to share because you guys show up for me. I want to show up for you guys. All right, I love you guys. I will see you live in videos, on Zoom, all the things. All right, love you guys. See you guys this year. Let's go.